ran across this little scissor jack project online and thought it would be a fun little project to do. So the first thing is we use the DXF layout tool to import in the scissor jack DXF. Go ahead and expand our screen here. Set our units. And one of the nice things about the DXF input tool is it allows us to very easily go in and lay out the pieces. I have a certain piece of scrap that I wanted to go ahead and make this out of, so I can very quickly go and position my parts so that they would fit on that particular piece of scrap. Go ahead and fast forward here. Once you've got it basically laid out the way you want, go ahead and set your margins to whatever you wish and add the board. Once you've got everything to where you want it, the board's been added, you can go ahead and finish up. Now we want this, it's all going to be vector work, and we want it to be accurate so everything fits together nicely, so we're going to set the resolution to 512 when we create this board. Went ahead and refined the layout a little bit. I applied pockets where appropriate to the geometry and drills on the cutouts. I applied a cleaning pass to them. Now what the cleaning pass does is it's going to offset. Go ahead and do the cutting pass, and then it's going to run another set of pass right on the geometry. This eliminates any bit of deflection effects and makes sure that you get a very accurate result.